Alrighty, so you might be wondering, what is BoxyCharm? So let me go ahead and spill the tea for you. So BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription box delivered straight to your door, simple as that, for literally $25 a month with 5 full-size beauty or skincare items. It's literally just so easy and simple.
Also, you can find new and creative ways to use all of the products that you get in your BoxyCharm box with the tutorials that we post on our social media platforms.
Not only do you enjoy amazing tutorials by following BoxyCharm, but you also get exclusive member benefits by becoming a charmer and a chance to win amazing products from our giveaways by the best beauty brands.
Beyond amazing member benefits, you also get the opportunity to shop the best brands in beauty for over 70% off in our seasonal shops. What? Amazing! So with all of those amazing members, all of the amazing products that we're sending you to your house, and everything else that you could get from our BoxyCharm social media accounts, what are you waiting for? All you have to do is subscribe down here. Click the link down below and go check it out, because you're gonna love everything that you're gonna get with this.